Welcome back to Clark's Our Culinary. We are going to be making cheesesteak subs. And to start, we are going to chop up our vegetables here. I have half of an onion. So let's get that chopped up. Nice thin slices. We're gonna use some colorful bell peppers. I have 1/4 of a red bell pepper. I'm gonna chop that up. And let's cut these pieces in half. And an orange bell pepper. You can use any bell pepper color of your choice. I have this little piece of green onion that I want to get rid of, so let's chop that up as well. It's not a cheesesteak until you add the steak. I have a really nice ribeye steak and I put it in the freezer so it can kind of get a little bit hard so I can slice it up, and I'm using this serrated blade knife. I know this is a bread knife, but it cuts amazing, so I'm going to go in and do some really thin as I can get them slices. To save time, you can get the shredded beef. I just prefer the juiciness of a nice ribeye. We're all set here. Let's get over to the stove. We are bringing the pan up to temperature, and I'm going to add some of this avocado oil here. We've got our seasonings prepared. I have salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and red chili flakes. It is hot and ready to go, so let's put this food in here. This is a ribeye steak, so we don't want to cook it too much. We're just going to cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. And we're going to leave the temperature setting on high throughout the duration of the cook time and stir continuously. Let's add our seasonings to taste. It's been 4.5 minutes, so we're gonna cut the heat and get ready to eat. All right, I have a warm miniature baguette, and we wanna put some mustard in here and some ketchup. Get that open. Get some ketchup in there. It's not pretty, but who's looking? Okay, and now we're gonna put a nice piece of provolone in here. Let's add some of the steak, onion, and peppers. Be sure to make your sandwich as soon as the meat and peppers and onions are done so the cheese will melt. And we're gonna add a little pepperoncini. Just pop that on top there. And yes, we need to taste this together. Let's go. This is the best. And I'm telling you, get you a French baguette. I got mini baguettes here, but you can always get one of those long baguettes and just cut it up in little pieces, feed your whole family. This is absolutely amazing. Get you a good steak. Don't get the, never mind. I told you all earlier to get some shredded beef to make it quick. Don't make it quick. Get you a ribeye steak and make you a real cheesesteak sub. I hope you all enjoy this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell notification so you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, I'm gonna be eating this sub, so bye.